In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide GCash balance from family. If you've ever handed your phone to someone to scan a QR code, asked for help navigating the app, or simply prefer to keep your finances private when people are nearby, this quick privacy trick will make things a lot more comfortable. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top area where your current balance is displayed. Right beside the number, you'll see a small eye icon. This icon is your quick on and off switch for showing or masking your balance on the screen. Tap the eye icon once. The moment you do, your exact balance will be hidden and replaced with dots or asterisks. That means anyone casually looking at your screen won't see the amount you have. It's perfect for moments at the counter during cash-ins and cash-outs, or whenever someone is standing close while you use the app. You'll still be able to navigate, pay, and send money as usual. This action only hides the number visually on your screen and doesn't affect any of your transactions or account features. When you're ready to see your balance again, simply tap the same eye icon one more time. Your balance will reappear instantly. Think of it as a simple toggle. Tap to hide, tap to unhide. There's no extra menu, no settings page, and no complicated confirmations, just a quick tap for instant privacy. A few helpful notes while you use this feature. The eye icon is designed for on-the-spot discretion. It's meant to keep your balance from being visible at a glance. It doesn't remove your balance from statements, history, or any official records within the app. It only masks the number on your current screen. If your phone is a bit slow or your internet connection is spotty, give the app a second to respond after tapping. You should see the balance mask appear or disappear right away as the icon toggles. This is also useful if you're recording your screen for a tutorial, streaming to a display, or sharing your device during a demonstration. By toggling the eye icon before you show your screen, you prevent your exact balance from being captured. That's all there is to it. Open GCash, tap the eye icon to hide your balance, and tap it again to bring the amount back when you need it. It's a small step that gives you a lot more control over your privacy whenever other people are around. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more confident using GCash in public or shared spaces.